Hello friends, welcome to my channel once again. Today I shall do some Fourier transform of a given function. Today we have the function fx, which is given as root over 2 by pi times 1 by root over a square minus x square for mod a less than a, and it is 0 elsewhere. So we have to do the Fourier transform here. So we can write g function of k is equal to 1 by root over 2 pi times root over 2 by pi integration minus a to plus a. Note this condition here, mod x is less than a, so I have just used this limit here, to the power minus I k x divided by root over a square minus x square dx. So this is the integration we have to evaluate. So we can do like just this simplification thing. We can write just 1 by pi integration. We can divide this, split this integral into this, like 0 to a e to the power minus I kx dx root over square minus x square dx, and this second part minus a to 0 e to the power minus I kx dx divided by root over a square minus x square. So we just have split this integration. Now we have to evaluate, and we can write it like this: 0 to the power minus I kx square minus x square dx, and we can write like this. Now this 0 to a, and we just make it e to the power I kx divided by a square minus x square dx. Yeah, now you can easily see we can get one cost function here. So 2 pi 0 to a cos kx dx divided by root over a square minus x square. Now we can say x is equal to a sin theta. Hence dx would be a cos theta d theta, and a square minus x square would be a cos theta. Hence we can write, hence we can say that gk would be, this is gk, you remember, so we just write gk would be 2 by pi. Now you can easily see what would be the limit of this integration, x and theta. So you can see this is 0 and a, this would be 0 and this would be pi by 2. So very easy. So this is pi by 2 and 0, and we write it cos of k a sin theta d theta. So here you say cos k, x is a sin theta now, and a square minus x square whole root is a cos theta, a cos theta here, and we have dx is equal to a cos theta, so those cancel out, and ultimately we get this kind of things. So this 2 pi 0 to pi by 2 uh, cos of k a sin theta d theta uh, can be written as minus integration. Let's assume, let's say uh, theta dash is equal to pi minus theta. Yeah, so we use this trick and we make it like this: cos of ka sin theta dash d theta dash, and which should be 0 to pi by 2 cos of ka sin theta d theta. Hence gk is equal to, just haven't considered this, so gk is equal to 1 by pi 0 to pi cos of ka sin theta d theta. And if you remember, this is j0 ka. j0 is the Bessel function of zeroth order. So j0 is the Bessel function of order 0. So hope you have understood this problem. This was the problem. If you have understood, please like this video and consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks a lot.